We deliver SEO-optimized buyback websites that rank well in Google and other search engines. This will allow you to easily get new customers organically from the search engines without the need for heavy, expensive advertising. Many of our clients effortlessly collect hundreds to several thousand devices every month at rock-bottom prices using their buyback websites. Start running a profitable device buyback business just like Gazelle.com with this new, powerful and automated buyback system. Do you own a device repair shop? We can add a buyback section to your website so that you can buy used phones and tablets from your existing customers. Hundreds of people are looking to sell or trade in their used devices in your city every day. Most end up using eBay, Craigslist or similar sites, meeting strangers in back alleys and exchanging cash, dealing with lowballers and scammers, because they can't find a local business offering to buy their used devices. With close to 300 million smartphones in the USA alone, the market continues to grow. Now you can easily buy and sell millions of dollars worth of products with your own buyback website in any city or anywhere else worldwide. Visit us at wer.org to discover the easiest way to buy hundreds or thousands of used phones really cheap from the public with your own automated buyback website. Or use the contact link in the description below to check out the backend admin area. Contact us now to get more details on this limited time offer.